Hi guys, welcome to Randy at Home. Today we're going to be making one of my childhood favorites, French toast. I made it a bit simple back then. Now we've got a bit of a twist going on. Bring out the crunch, bring out the flavors. So let's walk you through it right now. We have an egg going in. I'm going to use one egg because that's all we need. Cinnamon is to taste. I like cinnamon. Don't be scared of the big parts you got in there. Just grate it in there. That's enough. We're gonna put a little bit of almond flavor in there. The almonds are going to be caramelizing, bringing out some natural oils on the French toast, which really makes it come alive. Perfect. And then we're gonna add a little bit of oats. So what the oats is gonna do here is it's gonna bring the crunch factor. The crunch factor is really important. It's one of your senses you're making up, and we're gonna add a little bit of oat milk, what I got in the fridge. When you're actually choosing the bread you want, it doesn't really matter what bread, but what really matters is the fact if it's a little bit older than normal. If it's fresh bread, it's gonna soak up way too much of that liquid, and you don't want that. It's gonna make soggy French toast, which in my frame of mind it's not very tasty. Gonna go ahead, whisk this up. So you notice we're not putting any sugar in here. Well, we got a little bit of a treat that's gonna go on this. So I wanna really make sure it's whisked up good. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna dunk our bread in it. Leave it sit there for a second, and we're gonna bring it over to the pan. And what we're looking for here with this butter is a bit of a brown, nutty flavor that's gonna come out of it. So get the pan super uber hot, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our French toast in. And if you don't hear that sizzle, your pan is simply not hot enough. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start making our sauce. Now this is the fun part. This is really is the fun part. Gonna go ahead, we're gonna slice up some bananas in here. And this is gonna be a lovely start of our sauce. The butter and the bananas really bring a natural caramelized flavor to it. It's honestly to die for. Now we got the bananas in there. What we're looking for is a caramelization with the bananas and the butter together. That's gonna be our little bit of a trick to this one, a nice sauce. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna flip this up. See the lovely brown underneath. Here's the flip, the magic flip. Oh, that's what we want there. You can hear the crunch going on there. We're gonna take these bananas, flip them over. Look at that. Oh, this is the stuff that dreams are made of. We're gonna add a little bit more butter in here, just to the bananas. Get them caramelizing that much more. Butter, Julia Childs. Whenever I think of butter, I think of Julia Childs. She was definitely somebody who was inspirational in my life, and one of the books I would have read when I was younger. So now we're almost ready. We are gonna get the French toast on the plate. Look at that, lovely and ready. And here's my trick. We've got the maple syrup going in there. We're heating it up. It's very hot. You don't have to worry about cooking it, just to bring that little bit of extraness to it. And we are gonna scoop that out. This is the part that Sammy loves the most. Lovely banana, lovely flavors going over top. The ooze coming out of it is to die for. And here's the little bit of finishing touches here. Is a few berries. The berries add a little bit more freshness. A little bit of mint in there. Again, more freshness. I'd leave that out if I had Sammy here. And here's one of my favorite things to add on. The pancakes to everything. Like I said, Julia Childs, a little bit of butter. So this is exactly what we're looking for. You could see I'm super excited. I love maple syrup, I love bananas. This is the one I want in the morning time. More importantly, Sammy loves this, and I could do it with the kids. Let's go ahead and taste it. Love, oh. My favorite part is the bananas, the maple syrup, the butter, the bread, all of it.